Good morning, my friends. I finally made it back to Ballina after these horrible rains, and we're just checking out a few new spots, see if there's anything out there. The water is super dirty, but you never know. We always say, oh, you know, rain, blah blah blah, but yeah, I always seem to catch something. And going for my good old brimbos, and I want some brimbos. I haven't had a fish in a couple of days, so yeah, I'm facing withdrawals and I must have me some fish, so stick around. Oh, straight up. Far out. Take it. Take it. A snake? Snake under something. Yeah. Solid. Nice. Take it. Tiny. Tiny. Morning. Mullet. Gone off tap. There he goes. Lots of them. It's tiny. Smallies. Actually a decent size. It's a good size actually. Nice. Not quite legal, but a little bit better than what we have been catching. Tiny. Oh, get out.
trying to get me. Bit better. He's long. He's really long. Take it. Take it. Oh, he's ripped me off. Dang it. Oh, he's got me stuck under something. Oh, come on. I have no idea what's under there. It feels really debris. Yep. Getting bigger. Beautiful colour. It's a nice fish. Go on. Yep, on the prawn head. Oh, he's not happy. All right, buddy, come on. No. Come on. Not sure how big he is. Oh, he's big. Holy cow balls, he's big. Oh, yep. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Far out. He's huge. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's so big. I'm trying not to get overexcited. I'm just trying to get this hook out. Oh, it's stuck. Wow. Okay. Oh, check it out. 28 tip. That was awesome. Didn't realise how big he was. Oh my gosh, he's a freaking 32. Wow. Yeah, baby. He's a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, dang it. He's got me snagged, or he's something. Ah, you poo bum. Yep. That sucks. He was a good one too. Half my leader gone. Dang it. They are not wasting time. Yep. Not as big, but nice. Good one.
out of your road.
Did a bit of a jump for you, see? Nope, already have a touch. Yep. 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 He's still going, he's still going. I'm just trying to keep him up so he doesn't go underneath the debris. Yep, it's a good one, it's a good one, it's a good one, it's a good one. He might be a 28. 28. No, maybe not. Oh, yeah, he's a good one. Oh, he's pretty. And another one. Rah. Yep, he's trying to get me underneath something. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I know you're on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. There you are. There you are. Another one. Little baby one. Meow. Come on. There's one. It's only little. Oh, it's not that bad. Another one. How are you?
Good, so?
Good.
Any bites?
Oh yeah, some big brim. Yeah, big ones. 30 centimetres, 32. Yeah, just in here. It's great. I don't take them. No, I'll throw them back. Yeah.
Oh dear.
There you go. One on. Little one. It's just a little one. Tiny little one.
Bit of fun.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, enjoy.
Have a good day. Actually have one on. They're getting smaller. Getting smaller. Oh, beautiful fish, that one. Look at that, he's barely hooked on his lips. There you go. Tiny little fishy. Yep, take it. Yep. Got me hooked under.